How to view the Shake Shack menu online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check out Shake Shack menu before you order, well, in today's video I'll show you how to view the Shake Shack menu online in just a few clicks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, once you are on the home page, just look at the top menu bar and then just click on the menu, and this will take you directly to all the food and drinks option. And here the menu is organized into categories like the hot dogs, burgers, sandwiches, fries, shakes. So simply click on the category to see all the item description and prices. And if you want more info about an item, just click on it and you will see ingredients, calories, and sometimes customization option, so you know exactly what you are ordering. So here, while you are browsing the menu, you can click order if you're ready to place your order online for pickup or delivery. But if you just want to check the menu, exploring it like this is perfect. And that's it. Viewing the Shake Shack menu online is super simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.